Alright, here we go. Doing the flower deep penetration with the 7.62x3.9, the PowerPoints hog specials. Just remember the alarm well sound. Doing that about 50 yards. Going to hit the flower first, get the expansion, and see how far in the boards we go after the expansion. So there you go. Y'all stick around and see what is going on. Alright, we got impact. Impact. Hit. Good job, Spider. A little delayed. No problem there, shooter. Always on top of my game. Your game. Are in the schizo world. Our game. Alrighty. Well, here we go. We got a little low on the impact, but we still got a good impact. The hole blowing through. Got the expansion going on in the flower, and we got our smoky oak gel block. We do not have a clean pass through, so we'll take that back to the table and check it out. Just for you. We'll check it out. All right. Yeehaw! Another little range tip for you. If you're shooting into blue jeans and when you leave the range, don't put them in a bucket and leave the bucket outside, because then you end up with growth on your jeans. You end up with more jeans than you started with. So I've got to go through my jeans and get me some old ones. I got a whole bunch of them. I don't throw anything away. Alright, here we go. Got the results from the 7.62x3.9 and Hog Specials PowerPoints from Winchester. Let us see. There's a bullet right there. Give y'all a smart bit of information. There we go. Right there. See, smart bit of information. Let us check out what it's going through. Bringing out the cricket drifter once again. Nice little knife. And here we go. Got the hole going on like Donkey Kong. And let's see what we got in store for y'all. The initial hole. After going through the flower, what's the expansion we have? Going through the flower, roughly rim to rim, somewhere in there. This ain't exact. 7.2. In and out. Is that the bullet? No, that is flower. In and out. There we go. Into the second board. You want to see that wound channel action going on there? Look, there's some wound channel action going on there. That shockwave. Alright, second board. We're going in. We are not out of the second board, but I am about to give y'all some of my Bohemian power right here. Rah, Bohemian power! Dun 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 dun. What other video out there on our channel will you see this? Yeah! Check that out. Got the bullet, maybe. I'm not busting up my knife. No, sir. I am not busting up my knife. But and to those that know what that is, yeah, do you know what that is? When you're replacing these, if you know what that is, makes awesome tent stakes. If you know what that is. Ta-da! What is it? What is it? What is it? I'll give you a hint. It comes from a farm. Well, that ain't gonna work. So close to the bullet. Not really. Alright, well, it's not coming out, but there you can see. You can see the bullet. And there we go. Let's just take a measurement. Can we get in there? That's close enough. It's a bullet inside the wood. So there you go. In and out the first board, and roughly halfway through the second board. Not roughly, pretty much halfway. Well, yeah, you're probably up in there. So there you go. Pretty much the same as the 300 Blackout. So there y'all go, and thanks for watching.